Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be talking about Air Canada. As we can see, Air Canada has lost quite a bit. Well, it actually lost quite a bit and then it bounced back. So it looks like people are buying that dip. Buy that dip. It went all, I guess this morning it was at $7.30. Was it? Yeah, it opened at $7.17 and it bounced back, and right now it's at $78, and it's starting to pull back right now. But yeah, a few things I want to cover. They lost almost $1 billion in net losses. That is a lot. $4 per diluted share compared to a net income of $345 million, or $1.26 per diluted share in the first quarter of 2019. And if we look further down, as indicated above, Air Canada has reduced its second quarter capacity by 85 to 90% compared to 2019 second quarter. Obviously, because people are not traveling. Third quarter expected to be reduced approximately 75% when compared to third quarter of 2019. And third quarter is usually the busiest quarter. It's the fall time. It's like, yeah, the people like to travel in the fall time, and it's reduced by 75%. I think it's going to be a lot worse, because what the fall time could indicate is a second wave of the coronavirus, because it gets cold again in the fall time and people could get sick again, and there could be a whole crisis in the fall time. But who knows, at the end of the day, what's going to happen. We'll see at the end of the day. But at the fall time, I think, there could be another situation that could come up. That's my opinion. We'll see what happens. But yeah, right now it's not looking too good. Now let's look at the actual financial statement, etc. I'm not gonna go over it too much because Daniel Prong is gonna do it, and I'll just let him do it. But anyways, right now the cash position is not bad, so the company is safe. They have enough cash to lose more money, essentially lose more money next quarter, because I'm expecting them to lose a lot of more money. I think their revenue is going to go to near zero for the next earnings report. This earnings report was $3.19 billion, quietly dramatically reduced from last quarter, which was 3.797. This is actually not too bad in my opinion. Or actually, their revenue was 3.722. Their last quarter revenue was 4.4. It breaks down all the salary, aircraft fuel, wages, everything down here. Wages only $796 million. That's not bad. Air maintenance is probably going to be reduced to zero, because you really don't need to maintenance planes if they're not taking off. Sales and distribution costs probably zero. Ground package costs probably zero. There's going to be a lot of zero, but revenue is going to be very close to zero next quarter. It's going to be like 1 billion maybe. 1 billion, maybe less, 750 million. Total expenses is probably going to be reduced to probably roughly 2 billion or less. But that's my prediction. Aircraft fuel probably zero. Wages, they might still pay people, but expenses, operation expenses is probably going to be reduced to almost zero next quarter. We'll see what happens. They lost $1.26 billion, $2.7 billion this quarter. With some income tax recovery, they lost about $1.049 billion. So we'll see what happens. But I think that Air Canada will drop with the rest of the airlines. So if the airlines keep going down, Air Canada will go down. If airlines starts to go back up, Air Canada could go back up. at the end of the day, I don't know what's going to happen, but I think 2020 is going to be a very, very rough year for Air Canada. And if you are patient, I think there would be a really good, you could find a good opportunity to scale in. But right now, I honestly don't think it's a good time to scale in right now, in my opinion only. This is only my opinion. So anyways, moving forward. So yeah, Trump says he's confident US will have some kind of vaccine this year, but experts say it could take up to 18 months. So yeah, Trump is very optimistic, but it doesn't matter because there won't be a vaccine until sometime this year. So the rest of this year is going to be not going to be good because no vaccine. And then even there's a vaccine, people are going to be very cautious to take the vaccine because they are going to be scared. But nobody wants to put the virus inside their body. At least that's my opinion. So we'll see what happens moving forward. So this morning, Air Canada, American Airlines dropped quite dramatically, and now it's bouncing back. Delta Airlines, probably the same thing, dropped and is bouncing back. Southwest Airlines dropped and it's bouncing back. So it looks like people are buying that dip, or rather money managers buying that dip, maybe playing that bounce. Who knows? At the end of the day, what is Berkshire Hathaway? BRK. Berkshire Hathaway down 3.34% today, $6.11. Today the market is actually not down that bad. I was expecting a much worse down day, but it's doing not bad this morning. We'll see what happens moving forward. Oil is not down that bad. Oil was down a lot more earlier, but then bounced back. The stock markets rather, I'm just kidding, is down 277. Asia this morning was down quite a bit. Shanghai wasn't open. The Australia was up 1.41%. The European market was a pretty red day, except for FTSE, which is up 0.05%. Oil down. Currency, I don't know why I even brought up currency. The yield curve is kind of bearish a little bit right now, but besides that, the market is it's not too bad, in my opinion, right now. But we'll see if throughout the day it'll get worse or better or whatever. Zoom this morning, Zoom does the opposite of the market. The market goes down, Zoom goes up. But is this a temporary bounce, or will this continue? Only time will tell. It looks like Zoom wants to go up, but will it? I have no idea. Risk versus reward, in my opinion. So yeah. Anyways, moving forward, some tanker stocks. TK this morning down 3 cents. Nordic American Tankers this morning down 17 cents. Like I kind of predicted. Agrome's having earnings coming up very soon here. Up 30 cents, trading on 450 pieces of shares. Yeah, that's nice. A nice pumping from the Toronto Stock Exchange. Yeah. But I'm excited for the earnings because I'm hoping that I'm pretty sure they're benefiting from this oil boom. Oh, sorry, not oil boom, oil crash. But we'll see what happens. I'm very interested to see what they have to say on the earnings report. This is one company I'm gonna cover simply because I like them. But whatever, that's just me. Scorpio Tankers this morning. Scorpio Tankers having earnings coming up very soon here. Up $1.28, 6.19%. So it looks like anything that's having earnings coming up here soon is getting pumped. Tesla this morning. Tesla is up. Wow, $31.22. Rich people don't care what Elon Musk has to say. They still want to buy the crap out of his stock. Boom! $31.97 this morning. Elon Musk says the opposite. Rich people be like, I don't want to listen to you. I want to buy your stock. They bought his stock and it's up today. Canopy Growth is was up, but it's down. It's only up 78 cents. Afria this morning is up 7 cents. Kronos this morning is trading sideways. Aurora this morning. I think Aurora is going to be under some pressure for a while. So I wonder if Afri is going to surpass Aurora on market cap eventually. I think so, but who knows? We'll see. Tilray this morning up 33 cents. I think Tilray should be under Aurora, but that's my opinion. Rich people control that stock. True Eve this morning down 35 cents. Curaleaf this morning is probably down. Is it down? Yep, it's down 6 cents, 1%. Cresco Labs probably down this morning too. Yep. Wow. What is going on with Cresco Labs? Cresco Labs. Did they report earnings? Cresco announced fourth quarter earnings. I didn't even look at the earnings report. I don't own any shares, but what the hell is going on with Cresco Labs? Yeah, I don't know. There's no news. But Cresco is down big time this morning. Could be an opportunity, but when a crash stocks like that, it's probably going to go down lower, but who knows? We'll see what happens. GTI, Green Thumb Industries, something that I really ever talk about today, is trading sideways. Ianthus is today trading sideways. Bedman's probably trading sideways. Harvest Health is probably down this morning. Yep, down 3 cents. 1.8%. Liberal Health Science is down this morning a penny. 2.08%. Bitcoin is trading sideways. Not too much to say about that. Anyways, that's it for my video. Let's look at Hive actually. Hive Blockchain Technology down 1.5 cents, 4% this morning. Oh, before I go, gonna bring up Suncor. This could be a good play, not financial advice, but they are having their earnings tomorrow. Tomorrow, right in the morning. According to this press release, they are having it. Wait, May 6th? May 6th. Oh, never mind. It's on May 6th at 7:30 in the morning. Could be a play, could not be a play, not financial advice. Oh, release first quarter results on May 5th at 8 a.m. and the webcast for review for the first quarter to be held on May 6th at 7:30 a.m. So they release earnings tomorrow, and then they have a quarter report at 7:30 in the morning. Could be a potential play to the downside, but not financial advice. I'm just saying. I did buy some put options this morning just in case it drops. I'm expecting Suncor to post a loss in this first time in a long time, and I expect it to cut dividends. But that's me. We'll see what happens. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.